see me with my big forehead? Like, I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna work harder. That's what I'm looking like. I'm looking like Beyonce, Kelly, and Michelle.
And yes, it's me again. Yeah. And I'm back.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Mara Moore. And if you want more, I'll give you more. So in this video, I have achieved this look for you. And I am looking like a forest, a caterpillar, a chameleon. Call me an iguana. This look, it really wasn't that hard. I was mainly just getting used to like the eyeliners, like getting used to them because like I haven't used them before. This isn't green, but it's not yellow either.
So I'm guessing it's like a neon green.
And then we have green, then we have orange, then we got the pink, then we got the blue, and then we got the purple. Bam. So they are water active, so you just put like a little splash of water in there, and then it activates the eyeliner for you. But I think this is a really cool look. Something that I haven't done before. So before we get into this video, make sure you click on that notification bell and don't forget to subscribe. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Yeah, look at my edges. Look at my edges. If you see me looking in this direction, it's because I have my mirror here. Let me just have a sip. Oh, that's so nice. I put caramel in this. Shout out to my girl Johnny for letting me know about the caramel. I was searching for days on end to try to find some caramel. All I could find was chocolate and vanilla. Okay, epa, dogo. Let's wipe this mirror off. We ain't dusty, but this mirror looking dusty. I'm just trying to be more creative without stepping away from like my usual, you know. My usual is just like soft glam, you know, cute, you know, it is what it is. I kind of just want to, you know, do both. So first thing I'm going to go on with is this eye crayon from Technique. So I'm just going to go on with this first. It's like you guys know, like when my eyebrows are slightly different, it's going to be a different look. I'm just gonna take a pencil and powder smudge brush and just smudge that out. So what I'm gonna do now is go into this Revolution palette, and I'm gonna use the green here and smudge that in to that black line that we've just done there. And we're just gonna keep developing this color till it's something that we want, okay? So now for the fun part, let's cut it. So I'm just gonna go in with the e.l.f. concealer in Deep Cinnamon. So next we're just gonna go in with some e.l.f. eyeliner in black and just make like a nice wing, okay? Start off with a line like so. Okay, so next over that black eyeliner, we're gonna add this one and this green as well. So these are water activated, so you have to add a little bit of water, and then once it goes on, it's really like bright once it dries. We're gonna start off with this one first. I got a whole water bottle here. I use this for my plants. So I've just put some on my hand here. It'll be more easier for me to like access, like rip it on my head and put it on the eye. Just gonna rub that in and then start packing it on. Once it's on and once it's drying, it's really light, hella light, hella bright, neon like. What a sport. Put that thing in sport. Next I'm just gonna go in with the green, and I might just add like a little on the top part of where that green is, that green eyeshadow, just to give it a little pop. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the green on my hand as well so you guys can see how green that is. And there's the green for you. It's so bright. I wonder if I should go all the way down. You know what? We're gonna be creative today. Let's add some dots. Dang. Let me quickly do the other eye before I get to... Okay, so now that that's done, let's move on to the face. We're gonna go in with the Perfect Match L'Oreal foundation, and this is in Deep Cool. So for concealer, the same that we use for our eyelids, the e.l.f. concealer in Deep Cinnamon. Wait for it to sit a little bit and then start blending that out. Just gonna go in and set all of this. I'm gonna be using the Mercier translucent powder. I think I might smoke the under eyes out a little bit as well. Maybe some green there. I don't know what's up with me and green today, but we're going ham with the green. That's bacon. I'm just gonna go in with some simple black eyeliner. And go in with some more green and place that under the eyes. Just smoke it out a little bit. So I'm just gonna wipe the excess powder off and use the L'Oreal True Match blendable powder in Deep Golden also. Let's contour and then some blush, okay? I'm gonna contour with this bronzer from Revolution Glow, and this is in dark, medium dark for blush, because this one gives me a red undertone. Next, I'm just gonna go in with some mascara just for the bottom lashes. And for lips, you know what it is, we're not doing green lips. No, we're not doing green lips. We're just gonna keep it very nude. I'm just gonna outline my lips with a brown lip pencil. And we're gonna go with the Technique Highline Lip Gloss. And this is in BFF. Smells good as well. That's pretty. And you could just leave it like that, but you know me. I'm going in with a clear gloss on top. Clear! You can't go wrong with a nice clear gloss. Let's add one here. Go with some setting spray. This is by Collection Primed and Ready Fix and Spray. And that is it. That is it. I'll be right back. So you guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? Not too honest, okay? I have feelings. I'm a human. Don't be brutal. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's something different. I know it's something different, but this is what it's all about, you know? Just doing something different, trying it out, you know, and then moving on to something bigger and better. If you haven't noticed, green's my favorite color. I'll make sure to leave everything in the description, where I got the you know, the eyeliners from. You know, I'll let you know everything's in the description. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.